Hi, this is Tom Brickhouse. I just want to do a quick demonstration of how to do voiceovers on PowerPoint slides. In this case, it's Google Slides, using a little program I found called Screencast-O-Matic. Funny name, but it's a very nice little program. I've tried a lot of screen capture and video editing programs that were free or not free, and to tell you the truth, the learning curve was so out there that I just got frustrated. But this is very user-friendly, very easy to learn. And I'm just going to show you a quick demonstration of how this works. So you open up the program and you hit record. I've already set this up, but in fact, it wants me to make sure I've checked my microphone and it's correct, so that's cool. And I've already selected 720. That's the standard size, so that's good. Also over here, I'll just point out that you can use your webcam and the screen, just the webcam or the screen. I don't even have a camera set up right now because I've disabled my laptop built-in camera. But we don't need it anyway. We're doing a voiceover. So this dotted line around here is what's going to be in the video. And you can move it around. You can move it around. Oh no, I activated my first slide. I have to go back on that. So we haven't started recording yet. I'm recording this in Zoom so I can get the whole screen going here. But we will start the recording and hit the little record button. It gets this nice little countdown. This text will come into view in the slideshow that will match the narration. Here's some more text to narrate over. And here's something else that I will say that you should hear. And so we'll say, oh man, you know, I didn't like that too much. I'm going to pause it. You can pause it and you can start again. And what this, I'll show you when we get in the editor, what this does is puts a mark where you've paused it. So you can go right there and do some editing. So we'll start again just to show you that. A little countdown. And this is take 2. And here is something else I will say that you should hear. So we'll just say we're done. This takes you into this mode where you can listen to it or just go into edit. So let's just go into edit. This text will come into view. Let's just make this a little bigger. And first thing you might notice is this. I mean, you could turn this circle off, but I don't even want the pointer in this video. So I'm going to uncheck cursor and it disappears. Maybe your narration was too loud or too soft. You can adjust the volume there. But let's say now, so here, what I was talking about, this little dotted line is where I did that pause. So I really don't want anything after that. In fact, I probably want to stop it somewhere before that I will say that you should hear. So let's say that's what we want. This little grayed out, light gray areas where there's no sound at all. We get a toolbox here. You can do a lot of things, overlay. You can even narrate later. In this case, we're going to cut, and it gives you, this is what it says. I think I'll cut all this out because there's nothing going on, but I just want to start here at my cursor, at my timeline point. And then you can get a little preview. We'll say, oh man, you know, I didn't like that. You know what I want to do? I want to cut it all the way to the end. So I'm going to do that and say okay. And so it's trimmed off at the end. So in this case, we're just going to say, okay, we're done. And then we're going to save the video. You can set your quality here, your name, your folder, and all that good stuff. And then we're just going to publish it. I could have changed the name, but I'll just let it have its default. And so we're done. So this is a very easy, like I said, easy to learn program. If you look in the description below this video, you'll see I'll have an affiliate link I think if you get 5 or so people to sign up, they extend your subscription. But and if I haven't mentioned it before, it only costs me $1 a month for signing up for 3 years, 36 bucks for 3 years. And they're very good at the support. And so I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll stop it right there. This text will come into view in the slideshow that will match the narration. Here's some more text to narrate over. And here's something else that I will say that you should hear.